I'm not the first person to do a moto base jump, like off a cliff, but I am the first to attempt to do it on flat ground. I came up with the idea when I was 12 or 13. I just thought, man, it'd be super fun to jump a dirt bike high enough to base jump from. I went to all the major action sports companies, but it's really hard to get them to believe in it. And I realized, like, I'm just gonna have to do it myself. So I learned everything I could to make it happen. When I did the practice jump in Utah, right after I opened the parachute open, like, it was one of the best moments of my life for sure. And I feel like if I just follow that inner guidance with absolute conviction, I'll end up in the right place. It's like little trophies. It's building trophies in my soul, basically. It's weird. It's hard to explain. That may sound weird, but that's what it feels like.
Mm-hmm.